make it a point na pagka importanteng event, talagang you dress up for it?
Well, before, no.
Oo
But
nga, ngayon.
when I was actually, may divine intervention yan for, with Boss Vic, especially now that I'm working with Amy Marcos as well. They see to it na, nako, you dress for the occasion, something like that. Before, I don't care Pero ngayon, medyo marami ng matang nakatingin, so, di na.
So, ano talaga ang brand na naglilin ka?
Well, wala naman. Pag ano lang, may nakita tas maganda, yun lang. Kasi yung mga nakakatrabaho ko mayayaman.
Kaya
Kailangan, kahit hindi mayaman, magpanggap.
Hindi totoo yan.
Hindi nga pinapansin sa crate and barrel.
Hindi totoo yan. Na hindi ka mayaman. Diba? So, you're wearing Gucci now. Ano yung shoes?
Gucci.
Gucci din.
Yeah.
Taro.